Hey guys, this is your Job and welcome back to this channel. Good evening to all of you. Hope you all are well. So today we will discuss a job openings from Slovenia. It's a European country. So there are now chances to enter as a helper jobs. So this is high demand jobs for the country. So if you are interested to apply for a helper jobs, then you can watch this video till the end and apply as soon as possible. So let's start without any late. This is a manufacturing helper jobs from Slovenia, and as you can see here, job category will be unskilled helper, job type care manufacturing line helper, and the salary will be 800 per euro per month and 8 hours duty per day, weekly 5 hour working days. Age limit should be 20 to 40 and qualifications should be SSLC and above. Basic English language must, ECNR passport requirements. So required documents, your resume and SSLC certificates, passport copy and police clearance certificates. So this is the basic requirements to apply for this job. So before you apply, you should know, you should have the experience in any Gulf country or any international country, so that it will be easy to get a job. The thing is, this is a urgent job vacancies as a helper. Nowadays, there are deficiency of helper candidates in the country. That's why they want to hire from foreigners. And if you are interested, then you can send your email ID in the comment box, and of course you will get a notifications to send your documents. Once your document will be verified, you will attend the interview. The thing is, this is the urgent requirements from Slovenia for helper jobs, and the job category will be unskilled. Salary I already told you, 800 euro per month, 8 hours duty per day, and weekly 5 hour working days. Age limit should be 20 to 40. Qualifications minimum requirement SSLC. So I hope you understand all the things how to apply. So I can request you, please share this information. If any of candidate want to move Slovenia as a European country with helper jobs, then they can apply. They have to apply, and after you send your email ID, we will verify your documents. Once your document will be verified, you can attend the interview. This is the process. So guys, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video to the end. I hope you share this information to all of your friends and relatives who want to move Europe with a job. My suggestion, if you have a dream to move European country, you can attend any type of job interview, and you have to enter with any type of job in a European country. Then after you enter, you can find your professional jobs as per your qualifications and experience. It will be an easy process for you. So I hope you understand all the things. Still, if you have any confusion or any questions, you can drop your question in the comment box. I will try to give you an answer. And guys, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video to the end. Of course, in the next video, I'll come with the latest job openings from another country. After that, stay with this channel. Best of luck.